Like I go over here and I do my old school traditional actions for a while, and then I come over here and do my social actions for a while, and the two shall never so meet. It's positioned, and maybe it's our fault, right? Maybe we're not being clear about how the two are actually positioned. But if you think about cold outreach or any outreach that you're doing, what is the goal? What are you trying to accomplish with an outreach? You're trying to make a connection that then ideally becomes a healthy connection that leads towards a conversation. That's all any of us are doing that are doing outreach, right? If that's the only objective that we're trying to accomplish.
Well, and I would say, Tom, that there's some people that don't even think that the connection is part of it. They're going for the conversation, right? I want
Right.
that
Right.
conversation. Forget connection. Connection's BS.
And
It doesn't
I'm not
matter.
even, I'm sorry, I didn't even mean like LinkedIn connection there. I was like thinking,
Yeah.
I want to build a relationship. I want to connect with somebody, however it occurs.